What is a flat file? Flat file database is a database stored in a file. The records follows a uniform format and there are no structure for indexing and recognizing relationship between the records. It is basically a plain text file or a binary file. Example of flat files. Here we can see that the three columns represented by route number, miles and activity, and the two rows record 1 and record 2. The data is represented in a uniform format, but there is no relationship between the records. Limitation of the flat files. The first point is dependency of program on a physical structure of data. What it means is, if we change the physical structure of a data, then it will affect the application of our program. So we need independency of the program, so that if we change the physical schema of the data, there will be no effect on the application. Complex process to retrieve data. Data retrieval is very complex in a flat files. Loss of data on concurrent access. If we access our data in on the same time, at the same time when data is being used, then there will be a loss of data. Inability to give access based on a record. Sometimes flat files causes security issues. Fifth point is data redundancy. Data is redundant. What it means is, the same data is stored in a multiple location, which causes a storage problem or a storage loss.